Vipi wadau, welcome to Kilimall Affordable Home Appliances. And with me here today I have the cheapest double door fridge. It is a 90-liter high-sense fridge with a 7 times speed temperature, making it suitable for all kind of food stuff. It has a built-in LED lighting plus a bass low noise, meaning it can't distract you even when you're sleeping. What makes it even more interesting, it has a variable orientation door, meaning you can change how you want your door to open, whether left to right or right to left, depending on the space that you have for this amazing fridge. Plus, it is energy saving and comes with a 24 months warranty. Get this Hisense 90 liters double door fridge at an offer of only 24,799 shillings, down from 28,000 Kenya shillings. Find this and many more affordable home appliances only on Kilimall.